This design combines the American flag with the American bully silhouette because they both represent strength, loyalty, and standing firm when chaos hits. The distressed flag acknowledges that our country isn't perfect. We still have breed discrimination, housing restrictions, insurance policies that judge dogs by their DNA. But the bully standing proudly in front of that flag says we're not apologizing anymore. When you wear this shirt, you're not shrinking back from judgment at the dog park or whispers at church. You're wearing a badge of honor that says you know the truth about these dogs, the goofy, snoring, loyal couch potatoes behind that intimidating silhouette.